Benefits of aloe vera for male enhancement. Why aloe vera good for men? Aloe vera is well known across the world as one of the most popular cosmetics ingredient, the wonderful plant. However, it is much more than a natural wrinkle-fighting possibility. Aloe vera has medicinal properties, and it has long been used as an Ayurvedic medicinal plant. The natural aloe used as a form of natural male enhancement. It's contained in various supplements because of the nutrients found in the gel and the soothing effect that it has. The gel is a wonderful source of numerous vital minerals. The aloe vera gel has been the subject of research for decades. Some call it a wonder plant because of the numerous health benefits associated to it. Aloe vera gel is associated to the following effects: stronger gums and healthier teeth, improved functioning of the digestive tract, antimicrobial quality against UV light and irritants. It acts as a wonderful remedy against irritable bowel syndrome. It can be used for the treatment of it. Comes to male enhancement. Aloe vera delivers several highly specific results. Aloe vera is a skin soothing extract. It can improve the absorption of other ingredients as well. This is why many tropical male enhancement products contain aloe vera alongside a range. Many men who use penis enlargement exercises like Gel King will rely on aloe vera as a lubricant. The healing and soothing properties of comfort that could be associated to penis enlargement exercises. Apart from being used in topical remedies, aloe vera can be consumed in the form of a juice or a supplement. The nutrients and the microelements that it contains improve overall health and can have a positive impact on the male reproductive system. Clinical studies such as gel and honey is an excellent possibility for improving circulation in the reproductive organs. This simple mixture can be used to stimulate the erectile response and to achieve bigger erections. Vera on its own cannot accomplish significant male enhancement benefits, but as already mentioned, it boosts the effectiveness of other ingredients. In addition, it improves overall and provides an energy boost. Improved physical condition is essential for better sexual function in men and a higher level of enjoyment. Side effects: most people can use aloe vera both topically and internally without experiencing problems. The plant has been used for centuries because of its mild artificial ingredients that it contains. According to some studies, aloe vera juice could decrease the blood sugar levels. Individuals suffering from diabetes need to be careful about juices and supplements containing aloe vera. Individuals that are about to undergo a surgical procedure should avoid blood sugar level lowering properties when using aloe vera topically. You may want to do a test first. Some people report varying degrees of irritation. Aloe vera is an incredible plant that has such a vast range of medicinal uses. Its soothing qualities and its composition turn it in a perfect male enhancement supplement ingredient and effective, which is why male enhancement products that contain the extract deserve a try.